Assalamu alaikum. I am student of Sindh Agriculture University, Iman Muhammad Iqbal from 2K23 batch, class secondary, subject Pakistan Studies, code PS402. I am from Department Information Technology. This assignment is submitted to Dr. Farkhinda Versi. Let's start. My topic is Pakistan's military. So as we all know, Pakistan's history began with the partition of British India in 1947. So its roots trace back to the ancient Indus Valley civilization and subsequent rule by various empires. Since its formation, the nation has experienced periods of both democratic and military rule, regional conflict, and the 1971 cession of its eastern wing, which became Bangladesh. Pakistan's military is indeed a formidable force, ranked 12th out of 145 countries globally. पाकिस्तान हमें पता है कि पाकिस्तान जो है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है एज अ मिलिट्री इन अ मिलिट्री पावर में. वो 12th नंबर पे आता है आउट ऑफ 145 कंट्रीज़ में. द कंट्रीज स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशन बॉर्डरिंग इंडिया, अफगानिस्तान, ईरान एंड चाइना necessitates a strong military presence. The Pakistan's military, with its rich history, robust infrastructure, and unwavering commitment to national security, stand as a formidable force safeguarding the country's sovereignty and integrity. Let's have a look on Pakistan's military background. Pakistan has produced many heroes who have laid down their lives for their country. Some notable examples include Raja Muhammad Sarwar Shaheed, the first recipient of the Nishan-e-Haider, Pakistan's highest military award. इनको जो मिला था वो निशान-ए-हैदर का अवार्ड मिला था. ये पहले थे जिन्होंने ये अवार्ड हासिल किया. Pakistan's highest military award. Captain Raja Muhammad Sarwar Shaheed was born on 10 November 1910 in a small village, Sangori, located in Rawalpindi. He was killed by machine gun fire on July 27, 1948 while cutting through barbed wires during the Kashmir War. वो शहीद हो गए थे कश्मीरी वार में जो कि जुलाई 27, 1948 में हुई थी. राजा मोहम्मद सरवर शहीद, इनको जो है निशान-ए-हैदर का अवार्ड मिला था. हमारे पास दूसरे जो आते हैं वो है राशिद मिन्हास शहीद. He was born on 17 February 1951 to Begum Rashida Minhas at Karachi in a Punjabi Muslim Rajput family. वो एक राजपूत मुस्लिम फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे. He was martyred in a plane crash on August 20, 1971 while trying to regain control of the plane from a hijacker. वो शहीद हो गए थे अगस्त 20, 1971 को जब वो प्लेन कंट्रोल को हाईजैकर से बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. उनको भी निशान-ए-हैदर का अवार्ड मिला था जो पाकिस्तान हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री अवार्ड है और वो जाने जाते हैं as the youngest recipient of Nishan-e-Haider. He sacrificed his life hijacking of a PF plane, Pakistan Air Force plane. उसके बाद आते हैं कर्नल शेर खान शहीद, a captain who was martyred during the Kargil War. वो करगिल वॉर में शहीद हुए थे. जनवरी 1, 1970 में वो पैदा हुए सवाबी खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में. उनका इंतकाल जुलाई 5, 1999 में हुआ. उनको भी निशान-ए-हैदर का अवार्ड मिला था. He was known for his bravery and leadership during the Kargil War, defending strategic posts against Indian forces. Let's have a look on Pakistan's military पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री comprises 3 main branches. पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री की 3 ब्रांचेस हैं, पाकिस्तान आर्मी, पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स एंड पाकिस्तान नेवी. Let's discuss Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army with over 1.7 million active personnel, 550,000 in reserve and 500,000 paramilitary personnel. We have tanks of 2,627. Vehicles, a significant inventory of 17,516 vehicles, including APCS, IFVS, MRAPS, and armored cars. Let's discuss Pakistan Air Force, which has over 1,400 aircrafts, including 90 attack aircrafts, 550 trainer aircraft, and 322 helicopters. Pakistan's Air Force has a significant fleet of aircraft, including 328 fighters and 90 attack types. पाकिस्तान की जो एयर फोर्स है वो भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मानी जाती है. The Pakistan's Air Force with its fleet of 1,399 aircraft, including advanced F-16s and JF-17s, stands as a potent defender of Pakistan's skies, safeguarding national sovereignty and security. Let's have a look on Pakistan's Navy, which has a total of 121 assets, including 9 frigates, 8 submarines, and 48 patrol vessels, which is also very strong. With its strategic location at the crossroads of the Middle East and South Asia, the Pakistan Navy serves a critical guardian of regional maritime security and stability. It is equipped with advanced warships, submarines, and maritime patrol aircraft. The Pakistan Navy is poised to tackle emerging challenges and protect Pakistan's vital sea lanes. Let's discuss Pakistan's nuclear capabilities. Pakistan is a nuclear armed state with a reported nuclear arsenal of over 160 warheads. The country's nuclear program is shrouded in secrecy, but it is believed to possess a range of nuclear capable missiles, including the Shaheen-3, which has a range over 2,700 kilometers, जो कि बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मिसाइल है शाहीन-3, जो 2,700 किलोमीटर्स क्रॉस कर सकती है. हमारे पास शाहीन-3 की कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं. The nuclear test at Chagai in 1998 marked a historic milestone in Pakistan's nuclear journey, demonstrating its capability to design, develop, and deliver nuclear weapons. Chagai refers to Pakistan's successful underground nuclear tests in May 1998, codenamed Chagai 1 and Chagai 2. Chagai 1, which held on May 1998. The next day, Chagai 2 was tested. The first public nuclear test, Chagai 1, involved 5 simultaneous explosions on May 28, 1998 at the Ras Ko Heights in the Chagai district, Balochistan. Chagai 2 held on May 29, 1998. As we all know, Abdul Qadir Khan, he was the father of Pakistan's nuclear bomb. Because of him, we are safe. Today, the father of Pakistan's nuclear bomb is Abdul Qadir Khan, a nuclear physicist and metallurgical engineer who led the development of Pakistan's nuclear weapons program. were in Pakistan for establishing the country as the world's first Islamic nuclear power in 1998. Khan was also seen by Western nations as a dangerous proliferator for smuggling nuclear technology to other countries. Let's see Pakistan's defense budget, which stands over $7.9 billion, with a significant portion allocated to the development of its nuclear program and the modernization of its military capabilities. It is approximately $7.64 billion to its defense budget, accounting for around 16% of its total expenditure to ensure national security, modernize its armed forces, and safeguard its sovereignty. Pakistan's military conclusion. Pakistan's military is a robust and formidable force, ranking 12th globally with a strategic location necessitating a strong military presence. The country's military comprises three main branches: the Pakistan Army, Air Force, and Navy, with significant personnel, aircraft, and naval assets. पाकिस्तान की न्यूक्लियर पावर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उसकी मिलिट्री बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, पाकिस्तान की आर्मी, उसकी एयरफोर्स और उसकी नेवी। पाकिस्तान की जो मिलिट्री है वो हमारे पास 12th नंबर पे आती है पूरी दुनिया की कंट्रीज़ पर। पाकिस्तान इज़ आल्सो अ न्यूक्लियर आर्म्ड स्टेट फोर्स विद अ रिपोर्टेड arsenal of over 160 warheads with a defense budget of over $7.6 billion. Pakistan continues to modernize its military capabilities, ensuring its national security and sovereignty. Thanks to our heroes, the Pakistani military is defined by the immense sacrifices of its shuhada, martyrs, individuals like Captain Muhammad Sarwar that we had discussed, and Captain Colonel Sher Khan, or like Rashid Minhas, who had exemplary courage and selflessness by giving their lives for the nation. The Pakistan Armed Forces is the world's 6th largest volunteer military committed to global peacekeeping and defense operations, with its members serving with distinction and honor. Thanks to our all heroes, Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, अब्दुल कादिर खान और जो भी हमारे शहीद थे जिन्होंने अपने मुल्क के लिए, अपने वतन के लिए अपनी जानें कुर्बान कर दी, उन्हीं की वजह से आज हमारा वतन आबाद है। Let's discuss that what we learned. Key highlights. सबसे पहले पॉइंट, पाकिस्तान रैंक 12th globally in military strength. Second, strategic location, जो कि इंडिया, अफ़गानिस्तान, ईरान और चाइना पर है। थर्ड, जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया था अपने हीरोज़ के बारे में, राजा मोहम्मद सरवर शहीद, राशिद मिन्हास शहीद एंड कर्नल शेर खान, और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे और भी हमारे शहीद हैं जिन्होंने हमारे वतन के लिए अपनी जानों को कुर्बान कर दिया। फोर्थ पॉइंट, सिग्निफिकेंट मिलिट्री पर्सनल, 1.7 million active, 550,000 reserve and 500,000 paramilitary. Fifth point, substantial air power, जिसमें हमने एयर पावर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। पाकिस्तान के एयरक्राफ्ट जो कि 1400 हैं, इंक्लूडिंग अटैक, ट्रेनर एंड हेलीकॉप्टर्स। 6 पॉइंट, हमने नेवी के बारे में बात की थी। पाकिस्तान की नेवी में हमारे पास 121 एसेस थे, इंक्लूडिंग फ्राइगेट्स, सबमराइन्स एंड पेट्रोल वेसल्स। 7 पॉइंट, जिसमें हमने न्यूक्लियर कैपेबिलिटीज़ डिस्कस की थी पाकिस्तान की, जो कि हमारे पास ओवर 160 वॉरहेड्स, और इसका डिफेंस बजट जो हमारे पास है वो है $7.6 billion. थैंक यू सो मच and Allah Hafiz.